Okay, let's analyze this. Volumes are seems to be like on the normal side, not too high, neither low, like on the average. Stock is currently at its resistance level of 59.52 and the support level is 53. So it touched the 53, took a support, and then went back to a level of 59, which was previous support. Now this is acting as resistance. So if this resistance has been broken, because it has like tested 4 times for the last whole week, I think the stock was trying to break this level of 59.5, but 59 to 5, or like I would say 60. Yeah, 60 is the resistance level, 59.5 is its current closing level. So level of 60 is very crucial. If this level is broken, the next level is 63. At 63 to 64 at these previous level where the stock was previously. So this is the ultimate level for this within couple of days. But for this to happen, this level of 60 should be broken. On the flip side, if it is not broken, then the next level will be again 53. But if we talk about the overall trend, the overall trend is a downward trend. It's in this trend. So this is the overall trend, which is a downward journey, downward trend. But if this level is broken, so the next level will be somewhere here, 61.28, the first one. So if it breaks this level of 61.28, and then this will be out of this channel, and then for sure it will gonna hit 63. So first level 60, next level is this one. This one is the next level. Yeah. So this is the next level. If this level is broken, then the next level which you're going to see will be 63. But the overall currently TD is showing a downward trend, and RSI is also in a downward direction. We can draw this. We'll talk about the earnings as well. This is the trend of RSI. RSI is taking support at these levels. This is the support level for RSI, and this is the resistance. So unless it breaks this level of 61, it will remain in this channel, which is currently a downward channel. Earnings are expected positive, 1.3, almost the same, 1.3, 1.2, and they gave a dividend of 0.79. Dividend, it is a dividend paying stock, 0.79, almost always the same earnings, and same 0.79, 0.79. So 0.7 is the dividend. So what happens after the earnings? After the earning, the stocks falls down. It becomes X. But during the and before dividend days, it goes up. So there is one cycle here. So before the earnings, what happens before? Before the earnings starts going up. Before the earnings starts going up. Okay. So here, I don't have. Okay, this was the pre-COVID times. So let's not discuss those pre-COVID times here. Okay. So here what I'm expecting, as soon as the earning date is close, is nearby in December, by I would say last week of November, the stock will go up and may eventually reach 63 or even more. And after that, it will fall down again till it reaches its dividend dates. And during the dividend dates, again, you will see spike because it is having spiked at 2 different times, before the earnings and then before the dividend. So this is the one cycle that completes before earning goes up, after earning it becomes X going down, and before the dividend then again it goes up. So that's how it completes its one cycle for the price movement. But it's a good stock for the dividend. You will get a good dividend on this. Yes, wait.
So you think you should be buying it about a week before the earnings?
Before the earnings, because
what are the date of earnings?
Earning date is 3rd December. Yeah, 3rd December.
3rd December.
So last week of November.
November, you should start buying it?
Yeah, and sell it on the same day. on 3rd December.
Yeah,
Because next day you might not get a chance.
get a chance. Yes.
Yeah, 3rd December by the close when the market closes, just 15 minutes, 20 minutes before, sell it off.
Sell it off.
So that can be strategy. Okay,
And at that time it will give you a rate of about 63, around 63.
around 63.
It
Yeah,
should
so
give you
that will again be like 4 days, 5 days investment.
yes.
1 week's investment. So 1 week's investment, how much you got in the last earnings? Last earnings from 55 till 62. So again, 8% around. This earnings, it went up like 3 days. 3 days before. 62 till 66. Okay, and around roughly 5%. So 5 to 8% is there for 5 days.
Yes.
So last
Which
week,
is
yeah, it
which
is
is
good.
worth
Yeah.
it.
Yep.
Which is
So
good.
last 3 days earnings, last 3 days before the earning days. So if you look here, last 3, and this is the 4th day, and here 1, 2, 3, exactly 3 days. So these two earnings I'm comparing 3 days. Earning are the same, dividend is expected to be the same. So 3 days before. So last 3 sessions, if we want to be exact, so 3rd December is here. Okay, this is 3rd December. So Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So Monday, or if someone want to buy on Friday. Friday now the market is down. By the close of business on Friday, 27th of November, you may consider spending some amount on TD.
Yes.
So that just book an alarm.
That would be a good day to buy it.
Yeah.
That's 3 weeks away.
Just set an alarm, 27th November.
Yes.
Okay, like at
Buy
3 p.m. Yeah, around 3 p.m. EST.
yes.
Yeah. So you will get a notification. Okay, you have to buy something. We have to do shopping for TD. Okay. Okay, we have
And can
some.
keep us posted also.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
sure.
yeah, that's great.
We can boost.
That's good. Okay, Ankit, you did it well. So yeah, it's a good game for 3-4 days, 5 to 8%. Maybe you can take your capital from KWHS and then invest in there, but that to happen there's 1 month almost.
Tahir, one more thing. Just
Yeah.
look at the dates again. You're talking about first week of December.
3rd
That's
December.
3 or 4 weeks from now.
Hmm.
Keep one thing in mind. I'm sure the Canadian government is also looking at reviving the economy and easing out the COVID restrictions.
Yeah.
Though a second wave has started off, but the government would be looking to ease restrictions 3 to 4 weeks from now.
3 to 4 weeks from now.
That is the date of 27th of November.
Currently, we don't have anything right now. I haven't heard of ease out, but what I'm hearing is there are spikes in the number of cases, and the
Yes.
restrictions were like previously we had in Canada 50 people. In BC, I would say there was restrictions on the people, like on the gatherings. 50 plus gatherings were not allowed, and now like 6 plus. Like
Yes.
gone
But
down
how
to
long?
6
How
plus.
long will the restrictions last you?
Yeah, this is another question which I haven't thought on it.
That's the reason why I'm saying, even if the restrictions are there, they will last for 2 to 3 weeks, and that is when the easing will happen. That is when these kind of scripts will also shoot out after that time. So
Yeah.
be it this, be it Shopify, be it Cineplex, they all will shoot around at the same time.
Yes, you're right. So, okay, guys, if you don't have anything else, then I will discuss the last one, Tesla, how we can focus Tesla, and then we'll close the session.
Yes.
So Tesla is going to the last stock for today. So Tesla is consolidating at 430s, 20s level. Okay, it took a support from this level. I'll make it clear for you guys. This is the previous chart. These are previous levels which have been identified, and we are still good with these levels. The target range of 445 to 450, pivot point 425. Ignore this because this was from that particular day. First resistance is 430, which is currently the stock is at like 430. The second resistance 440. This is 440 next level, and the next ultimate level is 453. Support is at 415 and 390. So 415 is your first support level, which is somewhere around this line. I will make it here, 415 and 380. So this is the level for the support, and this 407 is the other level. These two are support levels. So currently what's going on in Tesla is facing a little resistance at the level of 430. If it breaks this level, the next target will be 450. But at this point, entry will be risky. So don't enter now. Unless it goes down further at a level of 400 or somewhere between 380 to 350. So 350 to 380 levels are very good levels for Tesla. But right now, it's not recommended to buy this stock at this point of time. 423. It may go up or it may not go even. So this, and the other thing is mostly like people are more interested in NIO these days, and Tesla, there's a news that this is like a bubble can burst anytime, and giving those things, most of them may be rumors as well, but giving those things on a side, whatever technical analysis is on this stock, like 350 to 380 is the good buying price for this stock, and right now it's not a good time to enter at these levels of 430. Wait for this till it goes till 400. You can buy a little quantity and a little at 380 and some quantity at 350, but try ignoring buying at even at 400 level. So 380 can be the level where you can start entering, and then if you have already have this stock, hold on to it, and 450 is your target. At 450 you can sell this and book your profit.